Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Hovenal Narcisse. And for today, we're going to unbox another package that I received from the United States. Actually, this came all the way from London, England, and we will see what is inside. And this is from Ironheart, and we will see what is inside. I got a sticker, the usual catalog, %10 discount, a instructional care for items from Ironheart, taking advantage of the 15% sale of Ironheart for the past weeks. So I got a loop wheel t-shirt. It is size medium, and the very first pants that I ordered from them is the 634 extra heavy Selvedge. So I got this loop wheel t-shirt in medium, and it's nice. There's the logo in front and the 634 at the back. Second item that I ordered is taking advantage of the 15% discount is their Ironheart baseball cap. From $100, it amounted to $75. Nice. This says it's made in USA. Ironheart, and the famous logo of Ironheart, the pride of Japan. The last item is their 21-ounce denim black denim sneakers. Nice. I got size 8. Nice. So we're going to fit and try this Iron Heart sneakers in black. This is size 8, but usually I am size 9 in sneakers and it fits well. It's still 1/2 inch, so I got the sizing right. Yeah, we're gonna try the other one, and yeah, it fits right. It got the right size. So we're going to lace it up. Oh. Nice. Yeah, perfect. Here is the cap that I ordered from Iron Heart. And we're going to try this and wear it. Nice. Here is my first look shirt from Ironheart. It has the marking 634 to signify that I'm using a Ironheart extra heavy selvage with a cut of 634. This is a straight cut, and that's my first Ironheart item that I bought from Ironheart. This is the one that I'm using for the year 3 hindi prepaid conventional. So we're going to open this. You have at the front the logo of Ironheart. The left part of your chest, and at the back you have the logo for the 634 cut. I got the medium size based from the measurements that are posted in their website, and we're going to have it fit. This is a nuclear shirt, and it's nice. Also, logo here, Ironheart, nice touch. The shoulder is okay, the chest is okay, and the left is okay. It's I can have it tucked in. So I'm now wearing the look wheel shirt. This is 6.5 ounces in weight. Tucked in. Yeah. Very soft, very comfortable, and the length of the sleeve is okay. Shoulder okay. We'll get our cup and wear it.